How to fix no sound issue in camera video recording on Android device. Let's get started. Head towards your camera app, press and hold on it. You'll get the option of App Info, click on it. With that, you'll land to the App Info page. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of App Permissions, open it. Here you're going to find two sections, allowed it and not allowed it. Give access to all these options: camera, location, microphone, music and audio, and photos and videos. After you do that, you can head back. Then click on the option of clear data. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Then click on force stop. Click on OK. And then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next thing you can do is close this. Now launch your Play Store. Now search for the app Sound Meter and install it. Once completion of this app, launch it. Allow for all these pop-up. Now you can make random noises to check if your microphone is working or not. If it is less than 51 decibel, that means your microphone is actually the issue. You must have a hardware or software repair, so you can visit the nearest service center and repair your microphone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.